To record calls on Z Fold 6, if you're from the Eastern Hemisphere, I'll cover Western Hemisphere in a second. You start in the phone app and then select the triple dots and then go to your settings. There will be a call recording option around here, which you can tap and turn on. But if you're in the Western Hemisphere, we don't have this option. So we need to open up the Galaxy Store and search for CubeACR and get the CubeACR Call Recorder app. Do not download this from Google Play, as Google Play blocks most of the features from this recorder. So once we have it installed from Galaxy Store, let's open up the CubeACR. And so we need to allow all these permissions. It explains why it needs these permissions here. So we will grant the permissions and we will allow every permission it asks for. We now need to enable the app connector. So select Enable App Connector. Then we will see Installed Apps. Select this one. And then under CubeACR App Connector, we're going to tap this toggle to turn it on and then select Allow. Now select OK. And then under Stop Optimizing Battery Usage, select Allow. Under Disable Wi-Fi Calling, you want to turn this one off. So tap OK. And it will bring you to the call settings. And if this Wi-Fi calling guy here is on, you want to turn this one off like that. Now, some carriers, you have to turn this off in the carrier app like Verizon, etc. Geotagging, so this will show the location of the calls. You can have this on and select No Thanks. Now it says Buy Premium. We don't need to do this. You can tap the X to use this app completely free. But if you like the app, you may want to buy it for no ads and some extra features. So now we see you're all set to go. So we can go to phone and do a call recording. You don't have to open the CubeACR app first. At any time when you go to the phone and call someone, it will start the recording. So I will call this number here. And so once you're calling, if we swipe down from the top, we should see automatic call recording. And we can tap the arrow to stop the call recording. So you don't need to be in speaker mode or in like loud modes. It records the call signal. So the person speaking will be recorded. When you speak, it will be recorded too. And all your recordings are in the CubeACR app. So you can see them here and then you can play them. So you can hear me speaking and the call, Apple speaking as well. I hope this video helps.